Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. A new video from the more or less mess that we've got here and from my collection that I'll show you quite soon, but today we are here to have a look at not these cars that I'm going to send tomorrow, ship out because I've sold them, but a new arrival. So let's have a look what arrived with this fantastic pack from Germany. So I bought it last week. Let's see what we find in here. I mean, I obviously already more or less know. So this is the only non-Burago. So it's a Chrome kind of R8 prototype that I'll need to sell. So if somebody is interested, here it is. Later I'm going to open them. So let's go and put it here where we'll go to open it later on. Let's try to put a bit of order in here. Then they're all on the opposite side. Maybe I opened it on the wrong. Probably yes. A violet Porsche 911. Very nice. 993. Then same color Lamborghini. Well, not same, but almost. Lamborghini Diablo 1990. A little bit before. Black Lamborghini Countach. Very nice. Not all these are not missing from my collection, but this is missing from my collection. And this is a Chrome Bugatti EB 110. Perfectly maintained, I would say. He could have packed them a little bit better, but okay. They look like they arrived quite well. Black Beetle. Don't know if I have it, I need to check. Let's put it over there. Then going to get this. A red Dodge Viper. Also this will be for sale for sure shortly, because I already have it. Then we have, oops, sorry. Let's see if we can do it. A classic, big classic. The hood doesn't go down. Go down. No, it doesn't. Big classic red Ferrari GTO. Another Viper. I don't remember the color. Black. Black Viper. Going with her sister. The red one. For sale. Actually, in this lot, I was interested only in the Bugatti EB 110. Here we lost something, a part of the door. Hey, I'm missing a part of the door. Ferrari F50 with this grey box. I think I'm missing also this one. Okay, almost done with this lot. And this I was missing it. 456 GT in blue. Very nice and quite rare, and there are all the parts, so happy about it. Is it ruined? No, it's not ruined. Super. Super. Let's see what else we have here. 911 in yellow. I should already have this, so also this could be for sale. Eventually you will see it on the marketplace or on eBay shortly. These are some nice 12 cars. And the last one, last but not least, a classic, big classic red Testarossa. Good, so these are the cars I received in this lot. You like them? Ah, I promised I would have shown you the R8. Here is this, for what I know, is a prototype of the R8. Sorry, I show you. Oh, scale 1:1. Not so nice, to be honest. I don't know what Audi was thinking when they were doing this, but quite nice. Not for my collection, but if somebody wants it, just post a comment below and I'll answer and I'll ship it out. Let me know if you like this lot. Here are some classics. Here got some purplish and something I was already missing, but most of all on the back, the Chrome Bugatti EB 110 and the dark blue Ferrari 456 GT. From my garage, thanks for watching, see you in the next video, put a big like, subscribe, ciao!